just a short video. Yesterday rained. It was like the skies opened up. There was thunder. We really wasn't paying too much attention. You know, it was raining outside. I had been cooking dinner. I made enchiladas, by the way. They were delicious. But we had ate dinner, finished that. Then we had some ice cream cake. It was... Usually do the ice cream cake on special occasions. It was a little bit of a special occasion, but that's not what this video is about. So we had dinner, had our ice cream cake, and then Annie turned to me and we're actually watching some TV, and she was like, "Dad, look outside." And I looked outside and she goes, "Look at the colors." And you could see through the windows, you know, the rain had cleared up and it wasn't raining over the house anymore, but the sky, you could tell from just looking out there that it was golden hour. It was getting really pretty. So she jumped up, grabbed her camera. She was going outside to take some pictures because that's what she likes to do. And I grabbed my drone. I figured, you know what? It'd be a good time to get a little drone patrol going on. I've been doing it in the morning a lot, going out early. So this is kind of like an evening drone patrol of the neighborhood. So this is what I got. All right, let's take this bad boy, get it off the ground. Before a conference volume runs it over. It was a really beautiful sunset. The colors in the sky were just perfect. I love this time of day. The weather patterns, I guess, had caused this beautiful sky, and it was really enjoyable. But about that time, we could hear some thunder, and Annie was like, "Dad, look back the other direction." We were filming to the west, the sun was going down. We looked to the east, and the storm that had just been over us had passed, and it was back out towards the beach. And the sky was still dark over there. So I panned the drone around, and as I panned the drone around, I got these lightning strikes. It was pretty cool. So we just thought we'd share that with you. We had a lot of fun filming it. Just a short video, of course. If you like this video though, please hit that like button. Also make a comment, share it, do everything. Just do everything with this video. Also, if you like this type of content or if you like this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notifications of future videos. I'm Scott and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video.